So I'm tracking down the package and oh my god, it's here. So here's the box. It arrived kind of beat up actually, but still in one piece and closed, so that's good. And here I am just opening it up. So the worms came in this sack, and then the sack was in the box, and there was like plastic under, and there was holes punched in all 4 sides of the box for air to circulate. And here is all the worms. So the worms came shipped with substrate, not just worms. A lot of sellers will only ship the worms, but yeah, this particular seller shipped substrate and everything, which I don't mind really. And here's 2 of the worms that were at the very top. I see the advantage with shipping with substrate is they don't come in all dehydrated. So here I'm just dumping them out into the worm bin. Look at all those worms. That is a crap ton of worms, and the scary part is how fast these are gonna multiply. In a few months, the number of worms will double and triple. That's crazy. So here I'm just dumping out some food for them to eat, just in case they hadn't ate in a few days, which they usually don't feed them before shipping them for a few days. It's really just a bunch of kitchen scraps. It's really easy to feed them. So here I'm just layering some newspaper on top. That helps keep humidity in. And I'm also spraying the top again to help with humidity. And that's it. For anybody wondering about the worm bin, there is a video that will be coming out on the entire build. Here's a sneak peek though. So it has been a few hours since I put the worms in here. I want to check if they have like started to eat at all and if they've settled in and yeah. And I turned on the light temporarily, but this whole time they've been like in the dark, like that. So yeah, don't freak out you guys. The light has not been left on. Let's be really quick because I know they're fast with getting down. Oh, they're all over the food. Whoa. These were some hungry worms and they've already scattered. Wow. Well, you can see one there. Oh, just the tail. Okay. So yeah, they're definitely eating. There's one here. They're really skinny. Oh yeah, they're definitely like all over the food. Except, well, you know, the light freaked them out. There's some right there. So yeah, I think it's pretty safe to say that they've settled down pretty good. So here's the worm bin about a month later. As you can see, they have gone through most of the substrate. All the brown dirt stuff is not dirt, it's poop. But that's a good thing, that's what you want. So because it's very tropical here where I live, the humidity here has been crazy this winter and the worm bin has been really wet. So here I'm just adding some more pieces of cardboard to kind of absorb the extra moisture from the other substrate. Instead of just layering sheets of newspaper on top, I've been shredding them. But for no big reason, it's just personal preference. So that's it. Here's a few clips of me feeding them off to my toad and my turtles. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye! Where on earth are you going? Leave him alone. Sticking them in the quarantine tub. So then I reached into the quarantine tub to get a hold of the fish. Because the lights were off for the whole treatment and I had to turn them on in order to force feed, he was really squirmy and he was scared obviously, so I just like wanted to get this done really fast so that I wouldn't stress them out more than I have to. So there's two ways that I tried doing this. The first way that I tried was I stuffed my fish's mouth with food and then I placed him back in the water so that he could swallow, and repeated it a few times. And I didn't really like it. I think it's really stressful for the fish to be in water and out and back in and back out, and I'm not sure how much of it he was actually eating.